Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl Shanita Nicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Okay, y'all, I'm geek today. I'm excited. Today, I am going to be using this polyacrylic. I'm going to be using this, some good old H2O, and I'm going to be sublimating on 100% cotton shirt. So I'm going to do two. I'm going to do gold because I'm feeling bold. And I'm going to do white. You see this white? So these are just your classic Gildans. I don't know about this one. This say heavy cotton. This your classic Gildan, 100% cotton shirts. Both of them are 100% cotton. They're both 100% cotton. And we're just going to see. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the image that I'm going to use. But I'm excited. So what we're going to do is we're going to use, this is spray bottle I got from the dollar store. We're going to use 8 ounces of water. And we're going to use 2 tablespoons of this polyacrylic. Okay. So the finish I'm doing is clear satin. They have matte. They have a bunch of different ones, but this is the one I'm using. So we're going to see how this one go. Okay. Okay. So this is the image that I'm going to be using. And now I just want to see how I want it on the shirt. The shirt is going to be a medium shirt. I typically I could wear a medium, large, or extra large, depending on how I want the shirt to fit. I just grabbed a medium. That was the first one I chose. So I'm trying to figure out, I think I'm going to duplicate it just in case I mess up. I'll have the original copy, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch it out a little bit. I'm going to see if I could do it because I like the page flip this way. But I'm going to see if I could stretch the image out a little bit just so I can wear it the way I want. Okay. So right now, we're just playing with the size. So that's something you always want to be sure of when you're creating things, how it's going to look on the shirt. So remember the area that I sprayed, you want to make sure you can actually see the image, right? So I'm letting it air dry, and then I'm probably going to just blow dry it to make sure it's all the way dry and soft and not like hard, because if it air dry, it'll probably be hard. So I could throw it in the dryer or blow dry it, whatever. I'll probably just blow dry it because I don't feel like going down there. So, I mean, I'm just keeping it real. Y'all know that's what I do. So I'll make sure that I have enough of the image so it can be this way. Yes, I'm just doing like this. Now, a few things. This neon, which I'll talk about later when I print it out, is not going to be neon because I don't have neon ink, sublimation ink. They do have it. I just don't have any. So it's going to, that green is not, it's probably going to come out looking like this down here green. Okay, so I do know that. So I want the colors to pop, but I know neon won't show because I don't have the colors to mix to make that. So it'll be a different variation of it. So I'm going to go ahead and send this to my Epson Workforce 7720. And I'm going to do 2 of them because remember I'm doing it, I'm going to print twice because I'm doing it on my, the gold shirt too, just because I got to be fancy. I don't know. I just said I wanted to try it just to see how it would stick on that one too. So we are going to, y'all know I have presets already. My popping colors. I'm doing this in cassette too because that's where my larger paper is. I'm printing 2 copies. And yeah, So that's the image. We're going to print it out. I'm going to come back once it's printed out and dry, and we go get this thing poppington. All right. Stay tuned. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1 tablespoon in first. Then I'm going to put the 8 ounces of water. Okay. Then I'm going to put the second tablespoon. Okay. Then I'm going to close it up. And ignore that, that's just my makeup. And then I'm going to make sure it's closed. And I'm going to shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it. And that's literally all you have to do. Make sure this is closed. Clean everything up. Shake it up real good. And that's that. Ready to go. Okay, y'all, so guess what? I had put my shirt up under the heat press. I was like, maybe while I'm recording the other portion that it'll help dry a little bit. It completely dried. So this one completely dried. Now I will say it's not soft like if I put it in a dryer. Like I literally can feel where the poly is, which actually is a good thing because now I know where I can lay my image. So my first picture came out. This is the ASUP paper. Today, this is what we're using is ASUP today. And this is the image. It came out so good. Look at that. That looks amazing. Right? So, and actually that neon, remember I said it was a go. It looked a little bit neon. So, boop, show me. So, anywho, this image came out looking so good. This is done. So, I'm going to dry the yellow shirt. But we might as well go ahead and do this. So let's do this one first. So I'm about to go ahead and do it. It's on 400 degrees, 60 seconds. If you missed it, you can rewind it. But I have polyacrylic. I put 2 tablespoons and 8 ounces of water in here. I was safe. I had my gloves. So the shirt is dry. It's completely dry. This is sad. Can you hear this? So you can hear it. So it's completely dry. I'm going to go ahead and put it under heat press for a couple of seconds. I'm so excited, y'all. Then I'm going to do it and see how it turned out. Then we still going to do the gold one, but we're going to do this one since we're here. So let me go ahead and set this up and move you guys in closer. All right, y'all. Let's see how this turned out. This is my first. Oh, snaps! Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Now I just threw it on there, y'all saw. So that ain't the... Look. Oh. Yo, I'm so good. Look at that. And this is 100% cotton. Shut the noise. Oh, mine turned out so good. Oh, mine turned out so good. Look at this. Y'all stop playing with me. Shut up. This image I just found on Google too. I literally just found this on Google. Okay. So let's rewind what I did. Yo, I'm too geek. Okay. Let's rewind. Polyacrylic. Mine was clean satin. I got this from Lowe's. 8 ounces of water. 2 tablespoons of polyacrylic. And then I put this under the heat press. So I actually laid it up under the heat press while I was doing the other portion of the thing. It was like maybe 6 minutes. Not even 10, I don't think. It dried it completely. And then y'all, I'm sorry, I had my sucker. Y'all know I always be whatever. And then look at this. So I'm going to do a wash test. I'm not going to do it today, but I'm going to do a wash test so we can see what happens. But we going to do that gold. But baby, we got to let's take a minute to just admire this real quick. I might put this on today. So it was a success. If you want to do this for just like a day for an event, let's say you're doing a walk, let's say you have something you want to use. As far as being toxic, I did hear that because it's only 2 tablespoons and diluted in 8 ounces of water, and then we shake it up, it's not a whole lot of the polyacrylic that's in here. It's diluted with 8 ounces of water, right? So it's 2 tablespoons, 8 ounces of water. We shook it up. So it's not like it's really harsh or toxic. Do this on your own risk. I don't have anything, you know, I'm not a dermatologist or a doctor or anything like that. So I'm not saying that you would do it. I feel comfortable enough to do it for myself. So you don't try this at home. That's my disclaimer. But for me, because I didn't use that much, I would feel comfortable putting it on myself. Even if I just had a undershirt or something on under here to make myself feel better. But yeah, so we gonna try this gold out. So I'll be back. Oh, while the gold is getting dry real quick, guess what? It's not hard no more. So it make a little, but it's not hard like how it was. I don't know if the heat did something to it, but it feels good. It's not like crisp or crunchy or anything like that, y'all. Okay, we're gonna let that finish drying. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Yes, I'm geek. Yes, I did put it on. Excuse, I got some makeup on there, so excuse that. That's just the makeup. But 100% cotton, size medium. Image from Google. Shout out to whoever was the artist. Makeup by me. Messing up my little stuff, but whatever. So now we just gonna see this. This might be a fail. Let's just prepare ourselves. This one might not work, but it's okay because this one did. Okay, so we just gonna see. All right. And you do want to put butcher paper in the middle of it. I ain't doing it for right now, cause I'm just not. But you do want to put. So anytime you sublimate, you want to put butcher paper in between the images on top of it to protect everything. This just for myself, mine. I'm not doing it right now. I just ordered some more butcher paper actually from Amazon, and it just came in the mail today. So we're preserving the butcher paper. This gonna be mine too. So that's why it's not 100% perfect. It's fine. Because it's just below on me. Okay, so recap while we wait for these 60 seconds. 2 tablespoons of polyacrylic. 2 tablespoons polyacrylic. Mine was clear satin. I don't know if that matters or not. That's what mine was. 8 ounces of water. Our gloves to be safe. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it. Spray it, dry it. I put mine under the heat press. It dried the whole thing in less than 10 minutes. But you could put it in your dryer. You could use a blow dryer. You could use a fan. Hey, whatever. You can air dry it, whatever works for you. I put it under my heat press though. And Cosmos ink, Gildan shirts, 100% cotton. Yeah, I'm so excited, y'all. I'm like literally hyped over this. Oh, that was 60 seconds. Let's see. You see, that's why I use that butcher paper. You see that? That ink, that's why you use the butcher paper. Okay, and like I thought, the gold shirt is different. It went, but the colors, because it's gold, it did it. The black worked, but because of all those other colors on the gold, it didn't go. But now you know. So people like, can you do it on dark? Because I went in my group real quick. I went live in my group real quick while I was waiting, and they're like, can you do it on dark? So I'll tell them how it turned out for darker. But y'all know what it is, and that's a wrap. Thank you so much for your time. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. Join my Facebook group, Queen Dreamers. Men are allowed as well. If you have any videos that you want me to go over, let me know. I have a couple more in store for you, so I'm excited about that. You guys have been reaching out. I appreciate you guys for everything. But like I said already, like, comment, share, subscribe. I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. And y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.